Hello everybody, Collier Swecker in Birmingham, Alabama. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. Wanted to share with everybody a situation that happened with one of my favorite clients. They're great folks. It's one of those businesses where you think you've seen it all to you, especially when you're dealing with banks and mortgage companies and that kind of thing. You think you've seen it all, and then this week I had a client who is a employee, a W-2 employee of a family-owned business. In other words, their father owned the business. And what happened was that the banks really challenged, which surprised me, because even though he was a W-2 employee, they really challenged him on the viability of the business, everything related to the business, which they, if you're a regular W-2 employee, they never go into. His business is a thriving business, but we had a hard time getting him financing because it was a family business. If his name wasn't the same last name as his father, I don't think we would have had this problem. And he was obviously upfront and honest about everything related to the business, and it still caused that scrutiny. So I guess the moral of, and what I want to share with everybody is, if you are not just a small business owner, we've talked about that before. If you're an entrepreneur, man, it's tough out there because the banks don't want to trust that you're really making the money you are, or you're not. But especially in special situations where you might be a son or daughter of a family-owned business and doing what is normal. You make a good salary, everything. The boss just happens to be your father, your mother, your uncle. And just know that you're going to have to do your homework up front and make sure you get with a qualified mortgage person or a very experienced real estate agent to make sure they can walk you through this, because it created a lot of headaches, needless headaches, because once we got down to the bottom of how these banks want it, because of course their guidelines are changing every week, it made it a lot easier, and we finally were able to get it done thanks to some good mortgage folks that got it done real quickly. However, going back to that, just make sure if you're small, if you're a family-owned business, or you are a family-owned business, make sure you let any of your siblings, children, cousins, whoever, know that there are some pitfalls they need to be watching out for. Anyway, if you got questions, email me, Collier@megaagentrealestate.com. Have an awesome day.